Hi guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna open the second package that I received from eBay. It's another Prestige 2017-2018. So let's get to work and find some parallels. It's gonna be the same dynamic from yesterday. I'm gonna tear this up. I'm gonna look for superstars, parallels, mist, rain cards, anything that it's gonna be for my personal collection. I will put these cards aside, and the rest of the cards I will leave them. So if anyone has a collection that wants them, perfect. Okay. I might flip this over. Alright, so first card is Manu Ginobili from Argentina. He's a legend now, being part of the longest trio in the NBA with Tim Duncan and Tony Parker. DJ Wilson rookie card. Chris Paul with the Houston Rockets. I'll put this aside. Tyler Dorsey rookie card. Kyle Lowry. Bam Adebayo rookie card. I think this now has a better value than it was before. Bam has been doing a really great job with Miami Heat, putting some good numbers. Let's hope next season he will be playing the same. Reggie Jackson, another rookie card. So far I have like 5 to 6 rookies. Eric Bledsoe. This is another rookie card. Terrence Ferguson. Oh, let's see what I have here. Donovan Mitchell. Seems to be like gold or green. Donovan Mitchell. Very nice card. Now it's time to flip this over again. Al Horford, when he was a Celtic. JJ Barea from Puerto Rico. Ken Bazemore. Thaddeus Young. Ricky Rubio from Spain. Dirk Nowitzki from Germany. Very international pack. Chandler Parson, my personal opinion, a deception in the NBA. Huge contract for 1-2 good seasons with the Houston Rockets, and then this guy is like a ghost. I think it has to be with the injuries, but then when he was healthy, he was not performing the same as Houston Rockets. Juan Hernan Gomez from Spain. Michael Gilchrist. Ooh, Giannis, the Greek freak from Greece. Very good, nice car. Michael Beasley, Gordon. I feel sorry for him with the injury that he has the first game with Celtics. I think he's doing okay. O.J. Wilson, rookie class, rain car. Very nice. It says here, rain. Very nice car. Okay. Hardcore Heroes, Boogie Cousins. All-time greats. Wow. Dr. J. Very nice car. Dr. J. Good. Another Giannis. Very nice. Jabusele rookie class. And let's see, 2 rain cards, 1 rookie, Davon Reed from the Phoenix Suns, and Wesley Matthews, rain cards. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will post in my personal collection each video, so thank you for watching.